Now the question number 4 is factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So we have to get the factors for this. So before going for this factorization, we have to see the degree. If the degree is 2, then it will have 2 factors. Okay. Now let us consider 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So the first step of factorization is find the product of constant into coefficient of x square. Then it will become 1 into 12 is 12. So the factors of 12 are 4 and 3, right? And 6 and 2, right? And 12 and 1. So if I take any of this pair, I should get minus 7 as the middle term. Okay. So I'm selecting this first pair, that is 4 and 3. So I can write it as minus 4x minus 3x. So it will become minus 7x. So I'm writing it as 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. We are just splitting the middle term. Okay. So here from the first two terms I can take 4x common. Then I will be having 3x minus 1. And here I am taking minus 1 common. Then I will be having 3x minus 1. So I am left out with 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. So these are the two factors of 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Now second one, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Again the same procedure. 3 into 2. That is 3 into 2 is 6. The factors of 6 are 1 6 are, 2 3s are, 3 2s are, 6 1s are. So we have to select one pair such that we will get the middle term as 7. So I am selecting 1 plus 6. Okay. Then I will be getting it as 2x square plus 1x plus 6x plus 3. Okay. See here 1x plus 6x will become 7x. So now from this first two terms I am taking x common. Then I will be having 2x plus 1. And from this two I am taking 3 common. Then I will be having 2x plus 1. Now common term is 2x plus 1 into x plus 3. So therefore these two are the factors of 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Now the next bit in this factorize, that is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So first what we should do, consider minus 6 and 6. Okay, leave the sign. 6 into 6 which is equals to 36. Factors of this are 6 6 is 36, 9 4 is 36, 4 9s, so 36 1s, 12 3s. So in that select a pair which will give you the middle term as 5. So I am selecting 9 and 4. How 9x minus 4x will give you 5x. So I am splitting it as 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Okay. So now from this what you can take common? I think if you take 3 common here, if you take 3x common, you are left out with what? 2x plus 3. And here if you take minus 2 common, 2x plus 3. So ultimately you are left out with 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2. So these are the two factors of this 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Now the next one, 3x square minus x minus 4. So here we have the constant as 4 and coefficient of x square as 3. So 4 3s is 12. So the factors of these are 4 and 3. So I have to get minus 1 here. So I can take minus 4 and plus 3. So then I will be getting 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. From these two terms take x common. You are left out with 3x minus 4. From these two terms take minus 1 common. Take plus 1 common. So you are left out with 3x minus 4. So then it will be 3x minus 4 into x plus 1. So these are the two factors of 3x square minus x minus 4. Right? X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So in the previous problem we had directly a quadratic polynomial. So we have divided by splitting the middle term. But here we have a cubic polynomial, that is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So here we will consider trial and error method. By trial and error method, okay, so we will consider the factors of 2 here, that is plus or minus 1 or plus or minus 2. So we will consider any one of the value of this plus 1 or minus 1, plus 2 or minus 2, and we will substitute in this p of x. So p of x is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So if I take 1 first, then it will become p of 1. So 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So this will become 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. So therefore the remainder has become, the p of 1 has become 0. That means p of 1 is equals to 0, which is a factor, right? So by substituting 1, I got it as a factor, right? So then it will become as x minus 1 will be the factor of, because when I am substituting 1, it has become 0. So x minus 1 will be a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So now in order to get the remaining factors, we will divide p of x by this x minus 1. Okay, we will do by long division method. Okay, by long division method. So x minus 1 is g of x and x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So listen carefully, that is first term here is x cube. Okay, so we are considering the first term as x cube divided by x. Okay, then I will be getting x square. So whatever I am getting, that I will write in the quotient part. Okay, so with whatever I am left out with should be multiply the divisor, that is x square into x minus 1. Then it will become x cube minus x square, x cube minus x square. Now change the symbols, minus plus. So the first term gets cancelled because plus and minus. Now see the second term, minus 2x square plus x square. Then it will become minus x square. Get the next terms. Okay. Now again continue with the same procedure. What is the first step here? First term is minus x square and here by x. Then I will be getting minus x. So with this minus x, what we have to do? Multiply the whole divisor. X minus 1. Then it will become minus x square plus 1. Minus x square plus 1 into x will become 1x. Right? Now again both are minus. Cancellation cannot be possible. So take symbols change. Right? Cancel. So you are having both as minus. So minus 2x plus 2. Again continue with the next step. Minus 2x divided by x. So you will be getting minus 2. So with minus 2, x minus 1 should be multiplied. So it will become minus 2x plus 2. Now change the symbols, plus minus. So both will be getting cancelled. So we are left out with 0. So therefore this q of x will become another two factors of this p of x. Now what is the quotient? Quotient is x square minus x minus 2. Now if we split this by middle term, splitting the middle term, that is x square minus x minus 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Okay. So factors of this are x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. Take x common from this, you will be having x minus 2 plus 1 common from this, x minus 2. So we are left out with x minus 2 into x plus 1. So therefore the three factors of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 are, first one is x minus 1, second one is x minus 2, and the third one is x plus 1. So this is how we find out factors for a cubic polynomial when the power is 3. First, we will follow the trial and error method. We will get one factor. So with this factor, we will proceed with the long division method and we will get the quotient. This quotient will be a quadratic polynomial. This can be splitted by using the middle term splitting. Then this is how we get the factors of the cubic polynomial. The second problem, that is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So consider this as p of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x and minus 5. The constant here is 5. So therefore factors will be what? By trial and error method. By trial and error method. Okay, we assume that plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 5 are the factors of this. We assume like that. So first let us consider 1, that is p of 1. Then it will become 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. This will become 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. So this has come as 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 minus 1 is minus 16, so which is not equals to 0. So therefore this p of 1, that is x minus 1, is not a factor of p of x. Okay, now let us try with 1 5, that is p of 5 we will take, right? Then it will become 5 cube minus 3 into 5 square minus 9 into 5 minus 5. So this will become 5 cube is 125 minus 5 square is 25, 25 3 is 75 minus 45 minus 5. 50 plus 75 will become 125. So 125 minus 125, which is equals to 0. So therefore x minus 5 is a factor of p of x, right? We got this as 0. So therefore this will become a factor of p of x. So now what we will do, our p of x is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5, and our g of x is x minus 5, right? Now by long division method, okay, by long division method we can write what? X minus 5 divided by x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So let us do the rough column here. In this sum, the rough column is very important. First term is, first we have to consider the one term, that is x cube divided by x. It will give you what? X square. So this should be written in this quotient part. Okay, after writing whatever you are getting, this should be multiplied with the divisor, that is x square into x minus 5. Then it will become x cube minus 5x square. So we will get it as x cube minus 5x square. Now change the symbols, minus plus. So this will get cancelled and we are left out with 2x square minus 9x minus 5. Again, what is the next term? 2x square divided by, what is the first term here? X. So we are left out with 2x plus 2x, right? So with this 2x multiply x minus 5, which is the divisor. Then we will be getting 2x square minus 10x. Okay, so 2x square minus 10x. Now change the symbols, minus plus, cancel. So this will become x minus 5. Again with the first term, that is x. Here the first term is again x. You will get 1. So plus 1 into x minus 5 will become x minus 5. Change the symbols, minus plus. So both will get cancelled. So therefore, what is the quotient now? Remainder is 0 and the quotient of q of x is x square plus 2x plus 1. Now we have to split this middle term. Okay, that is x square plus 2x plus 1. So what will be the factors? 1 you can write 1 ones are 1, so there is no other option. So you can write as x plus 1. Take x common from this, you'll have x plus 1. Take 1 common from this, x plus 1. So from this you can write x plus 1 into x plus 1 are as 2 factors. So therefore the 3 factors of x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 are what we got. First one as x minus 5 into x plus 1 into x plus 1. So this is how we solve for a cubic polynomial. Now the third problem, that is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So first we will consider it as p of x, that is equals to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, right? So the factors of this 20 are, what you get, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 10. Out of this, anyone can be factor of that. Okay, that we have to check by trial and error method. By trial and error method. Okay, so by trial and error method, let us consider that p of 1 is a factor. We will assume that. Then will become 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square plus 32 into 1 plus 20. So we will get it as 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20. 20, 52. 52 plus 13. 52 plus 13 will become 5, 65. 65 plus 1 is 66, which is not equals to 0. So therefore x minus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Now let us take p of minus 1, that is minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Then it will become minus 1, then plus 13 minus 32 plus 20, right? 20 plus 13 will become 33 and minus 33. So this will both give you 0. So therefore x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. So we got one factor now. So what we should do now? Long division, right? We have p of x and our g of x has come as x plus 1. So by long division, x plus 1 into x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, right? Our first step is x cube divided by x, which will give you x square. So let us write this on the top, x square. So x square into x plus 1, it will become x cube plus x square. X cube plus x square, right? So minus cancel, then you have 12x square plus 32x. Okay, again the first term here is 12x square by x. So you are having 12x plus 12x. This 12x into x plus 1. Then it will become 12x square plus 12 into x. Now change the symbols. Minus, cancel. You have 32x minus 12x will become 20x. And you have one more 20 here. Okay. Again the first term is 20x by x will give you 20. So plus 20. Right, 20 into x is 20x plus 20 ones are 20. Change the symbols, minus gets cancelled, you are left out with 0. So therefore q of x is x square plus 12x plus 20 is q of x. Now we have to split the middle term of this, right? That is by splitting the middle term, right? X square plus 12x plus 20. So 20 factors are 10 twos are. So I can write it as x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. I'll take x common here. I'll be having x plus 10. If I take 2 common here, again x plus 10. So I'm left out with x plus 10 into x plus 2. So therefore the 3 factors of x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 are x plus 1 into x plus 10 into x plus 2. The last bit of this exercise, that is factorize 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So first the factors of minus 1 are plus or minus 1, right? So p of x is equals to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So by trial and error method, okay, by trial and error method, okay, by trial and error method, what we can write? We can write it as p of 1 is a 0, let us assume. So 2 into y cube, 1 cube, 1 square, 2 into 1 minus 1, then this will become 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Cancel, cancel, we are left out with 0. So therefore p of 1 is equals to 0 is a factor, then automatically x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. So if this is a factor, we have to consider this as g of x now. G of x is x minus 1 and our p of x, we already have it as 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So now let us divide x minus 1 into 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Same procedure, first term here is 2y cube divided by, then we have to consider this as y minus 1 because it is in terms of y, right? So let us take it as y. So now here it will be y minus 1 is a factor. So this is also y, here also it is y, okay, because our given question is in the terms of y, right? So now y minus 1 is a factor divided by y. So you will have 2y square. So let us write it as 2y square. So 2y square into y minus 1, it will become 2y cube minus 2y square. Now change the symbols, minus plus cancel. So 2 plus 1 is 3y square minus 2y minus 1. Again the first term is 3y square by y. You are left out with plus 3y. So let us write it as plus 3y. So 3y into y minus 1, then it will become 3y square minus 3y. Okay, change the symbols, minus plus minus plus, last term not required. So it will become cancel. So you are having y minus 1. So directly plus 1 y minus 1. Change the symbols, 0. Okay, so therefore q of x is what here? 2y square, q of y is equals to 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Again, by what we have to do now? Splitting the middle term. That is 2y square plus 3y plus 1. 2 ones is 2. So I can write it as 2y square plus 2y plus 1y plus 1. Take 2y common here. You are left out with y plus 1. Plus 1 if you take common, y plus 1. So we are left out with y plus 1 into 2y plus 1 are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. So therefore the three factors of p of y is equals to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y is minus 1 are, first one is y minus 1 into y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. Okay, this is how we solve the cubic polynomial.